Okay, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to start uploading the job to the handheld device. So the first thing we have to do is we have to take our handheld device, and we have to be careful that we didn't open the Fairfield Nodal Tool mobile program on it, so it has to be turned off. Now we take the USB cable and connect to the USB connection part on HHD. As you can see, and he did that. Okay, the next step is, just to be sure, we can go to the Windows mobile device. It's already started, so in this case we don't really have to worry about it. And when you see the connected message, everything's good to go. Okay, after that, the first thing you would like to do is you would like to activate the mobile on the left hand side. So you go to the mobile, you right click on it, you go down to activate, then you activate it. Okay. Also, the second thing you would like to do is you would like to zoom out with scrolling down or scrolling up. There you go. And to upload it, what you have to do is you have to click on the icon as Andy is showing, load HHD. Once you click on it, you just have to wait for a while. A window is going to pop up. There you go. Now here, the important thing is that the display time, you would like to, you can select it as local or UTC. We'd like to do it with UTC, so we're going to go with UTC here. You don't have to do anything for the start date, it's already automatically changed. And we have the options of deployment tolerance and the location awareness tolerance. You can leave it as they are, or you can change them. So the deployment tolerance meters means if you're away from the pre-planned location 3 meters, in this case it's only 3 meters, if you're about 3 meters away, it's going to start complaining. But if it's within the 3 meters, you'll be able to deploy it. Location awareness tolerance is when you get closer to the sensor, like when you're close in within 3 meters, it will tell you that you're getting close to that specific sensor. The other part is in here is the deployment tests. We have the resistance test, drop test, and the impedance tests. You can click them, and that means when you leave them clicked, before you start the acquisition, the HHD will be doing all those tests and giving you the results, and then it will start once you hit OK, it will tell you to start the acquisition, and we're going to show you that in the next video. But in here we're just going to leave them not selected, and then afterwards what you have to do is load HHD. There you go, load complete, and you can click done. And the other thing you can do is you can move on to the second HHD, and you have to pretty much follow the same procedure. The only thing you have to do is you take to the second one, definitely get out of the program here, and then connect the USB cable, and also go to the Windows mobile device. From the search, you can search for Windows mobile device center, and as you can see, it's connected. So you just have to be sure about that, and then you can do the same steps as we did in here. You can still click on the mobile and activate it just to be sure, or you can just leave it like that because it's less likely that it's going to change, and then you just have to load the system. It's possible that you may be getting some errors. You can ignore that. Try load HHD again. If that doesn't work, you can take off the USB cable and reconnect it and try the same procedure. And there you go. It's done.